Welcome back to another episode of Buzzworthy Business at Jacksonville Buzz. I'm Steve Strum. This morning I have an honor and opportunity to introduce Kalai Senkar and her team at Shiva Robotics. Hey guys and gal, good morning. How y'all doing today?
We're doing great.
Yeah, so for the people who do not know what Shiva Robotics is, would you please take a moment as we talk about these phenomenally intelligent children? What is Shiva Robotics?
So Shiva Robotics is a youth educational institution where we teach robotics through hands-on projects. So kids build robots like these, they learn coding, designing, and they take part in robotics competitions. So I have my competition team here, the EngiNerds.
I heard a lot about you guys. We were talking a little bit offset. So let me ask you a question. So we know a little bit about what Shiva Robotics is. What makes you interested in robotics?
What makes me interested in robotics? So when I was 7, I started coding. I learned different languages from block coding to HTML to Python. But I was really interested in seeing my code come to life with these robots. I tried out Shiva Robotics and I really enjoyed it. At the beginning, I was at a lower level. I didn't know as much. But eventually I got into a competitive team, the EngiNerds, and now we won the qualifiers and got an Innovation Project Award. So
I see that.
Happy.
So as we talk about what is these regional things that you're preparing for, just for the people that may not know what robotics is, we're not talking about toys. We're talking about this thing here, might be made out of Legos, but it is absolutely something that is, you guys do something where a robot must complete a mission. They have an arm, they have to drive around, you have to program all these things, and then they got to take the ball and either put it in the hoop, or they got to pick something up and do actual functional things. How are you guys preparing for regionals? This is not the first time Shiva's been to regionals, by the way. You guys have expectations now.
Yes.
How are you preparing for regionals, my friend?
Well, we're working on our robot runs, working on our presentation to make it longer, and we built a new attachment so we could do more missions to get a score of 400 plus.
Oh, fantastic. So you had mentioned that you guys received an Innovation Award. What is the Innovation Award?
Innovation project is basically trying to innovate something that already exists, to share your hobbies and what you like.
And what is the award of innovation? What did you guys innovate that won an award?
We innovated a cheap and effective robot simulator for Title I schools, who are schools that are economically disadvantaged, to teach kids about our hobbies, which are coding and robotics.
You know, and we're going to talk about your robot. I saw you going for it. So this box, this is not the robot. Is this the brain? Tell me about what this. I thought it was a necklace. Like I wear it like this.
Yeah, you can actually wear it like that. We did do that at our qualifiers.
So we were talking about whatever the heck this stuff is here.
Yeah.
So I wanted to grab this and put this in front of me so we can look at it. So what we're looking at here, guys. So set movement speed to 80%. These are these the instructions that your box brain thing here does, which this is the real brain, to make it work. So talk to me about what these things are.
So basically, these are all different parts of blocks of code in Scratch. The yaw angle doesn't really matter. It's just something. The movement motors A and B, you can see on this robot right here, the A and B motors are connected to the wheels and motors right here, which means they control the movement. If A sees the color, so motor A, if it sees the color red, then the robot will play the sound cat meow, which will come from the hub. And if the A is color black, then it'll do the dog bark.
So this basically says if then if this, then this.
Yeah.
So how does that thing see red? Where's the eyeballs?
So basically it has the eyeballs back here.
Oh wow! Hold on, let me grab that. I'm gonna put it up here on the camera.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't know if you can see this right here where my ring finger is. Those are the eyeballs. They don't look like eyeballs, and I don't know if the producers can see, but they don't have contacts. It's just these are electronic eyeballs.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
those are the
They detect color.
ultrasonic.
Amazing. And okay, so if then this, then if this, then this, then if then that, and then if and then it plays music.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it can do anything. We just
So-
post music.
As we wrap it up, what skills would you three young, fine, entrepreneurial, engineer-type brains, what skills did you learn from Shiva Robotics?
I learned that hard work and patience are two key factors to success. I also learned core values like fun, inclusion, and teamwork.
What did you learn from robots?
I've learned different ways to code using my blocks and using my blocks. and I've learned different ways to use core values in real life.
My man on the end, what's your big takeaway from this robotic stuff?
I learned about gear ratios, which is the way gears move throughout parts when you connect it, like speed, if it's the connection, and that, and also core values and how working together you can do anything.
We learned this all from our amazing Coach K and also Coach Victor.
Well, we're gonna brag a little bit about Kalai here as we take it out. All right, so as we wrap it up, Coach K, anything you want to throw in here for the young gents and the people watching at home that may want to know if robots are something that they may want to do for their kids?
Yeah, Shiva Robotics, after being in the robotics business for 10 years now, we have touched the life of several students. We just don't want to teach to more students, but all students. So cost was coming in the way, so we brought it very, very cost efficient to all the kids. So using DIY products, we have created lesson plans. So students, so this replaces the robotics kit and that replaces a computer. So there can be like student human simulators to learn coding, and once they are ready for it, they can invest in the kit. So we have partnership with Carnegie Mellon Robotics Academy. We are planning to take this program global. Shiva
Global.
Robotics going global.
All right, so I've known you. You went from a one-stop shop to a regional thing to doing a TED Talk or two. How many is it? Two? Two now,
Yeah.
2 TED Talks, and now Shiva's gone global.
Yes.
All right, so guys, what we're going to make sure to do is we're going to hang all of your information and all the ways that they connect with you on our website at thedailynewsnetwork.com. As we take it away, as our audience is seeing out here, wondering if robotics is for them, you 3 young gents are going to change the world. And it's going to be exciting to watch your careers blossom. And Kalai, in all sincerity, congratulations on all your success. It was really great. Thank you guys for being here. Really appreciate you.
Yeah, thank
guys,
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks so much for joining us on the Buzzworthy Business. If you like us, share us. And remember, live with gratitude.